Clutch would not release, and I am so grateful that it's not the pressure plate, because this would be hard to come by. This flywheel is a very deep dish. As you can see, it's 2 inches or more, 2 inches behind the gear, and then the pressure plate fits up inside this deep dish flywheel. But that's not the problem. We have discovered that over here, this throwout bearing fork rides on a little ball, which is right. I can't hold the light and point and everything at one time, but Brown, would you hold the light for me? Right there. See, can you see? Yeah, right there. I think. Okay, here's the little ball that this fork rides on. I can't see that. Just there. Guess that's working. Anyway, what happened is that ball is laid over, that bolt is broke or whatever, but that's not allowing it to pivot right, so it's not releasing the clutch, and we can fix that. And we're going to, Brown's pulling the drive line, we're going to pull that transmission out, and then we will deal with the issue. Oh, I know what the deal is. Need you up here first, Brown.
Well,
Let that drive line go.
alright.
Where you need me? See, can you pry that pin loose there? There's a pin drop down in that.
You mean right here?
Yeah, that cross member there. And in order for it to come back, it's got to come out of there. Well, we can drop that down. We can drop that cross member out.
I think we probably, well, the transmission ought to come out.
Well, not really, because the engine's bolted on the rear engine now.
Yeah. So what we need to do? We need
We'll
to
drop that out.
3/4.
Looks like.
Look like.
Looks like.
Look at that.
Look at that. Tell you what. Get on it, man. Get all over it. Just get all over it. All you have to do is knock it back maybe or something.
Both sides of it come loose?
Well, it will, but it might not have to.
Might not have to. We'll show that forward.
That's what I was thinking. There, that dropped. Something dropped.
Now I ain't gonna be able to lift it.
How much you need? How much you got there?
It ain't much, but it's not gonna be enough.
Alright, we'll try to do
Drop
it.
the other side. Yeah, just.
It ain't much, but it's enough, ain't it?
It's enough. Slow us down.
Yeah.
Slowing us down, man.
I wonder who built all that.
Well, look at there. I bet that big one range it laying over there, is it?
No.
Shit.
Pliers.
Shit.
Pliers.
Then you hold it in pliers?
Yeah. Try it.
Not halfway over there.
Make another trip.
Yeah.
You got it. Take that cross member out of there.
Always got to pull across, remember, to pull the transmission.
I know. You know, why we got built in? Look at there. Out she comes, yeah.
She's swinging, man.
Get just swinging.
Me.
You got
Oh,
your chain? You got your drive line?
Let's hit it, Louis.
Well,
Tell me, it looks to me like you're gonna fall.
well, let's put something under it. Back here. Right here.
Like what?
Oh, I don't know. Here. Let me where's my dry bar?
Hang on a minute, let me see this thing.
Can you get this under it? Yeah, right there. That's good enough. Now, it might fall, but that's all right. It can't go anywhere because it's the input shaft.
Yeah.
Now, that'll allow me to get to that plate and break everything loose. Let me have it.
So you're just gonna break the plate boots.
And the elevator.
Be careful, man. Don't
elevator, man.
All right. Mind up, mind.
All right.
Oh.